basically what our friends are doing here is they are netting. Those red things they are called floaters. Their importance is to hold the net vertical. So if those seeds are not eaten, they rot, they decompose, then they bring that. They are the ones which results from the decomposition. These are fish feeds, but they are manufactured feeds, so you can call them complete feeds. Why they are complete feeds? They are having all nutrients which fish need. What you have to note when you're transporting fish, it depends on a distance. Within a farm here, you don't need oxygen because you're taking to a short distance, so they can survive with this atmospheric oxygen. But when you're taking them a long distance, which is taking you around 30 minutes, you need to put oxygen in it.